My dear friend President Trump, dear guests, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia at the Saudi-US Investment Forum. Our two friendly countries have deep economic relations that began 92 years ago, specifically in 1933 by signing an oil exploration concession agreement in the kingdom with Standard Oil of California. We meet today to deepen this strategic partnership in its various stages, from an economy based on natural resources to an economy built on diversifying sources of income, knowledge, and innovation. Joint investments were one of the most important pillars of our economic relationship. The Saudi economy is currently the largest economy in the region, the largest economic partner of the United States in the region, and one of the fastest growing economies in the G20. The strength of economic relations between the two countries was reflected on the growth of trade exchange, reaching $500 billion during 2013 to 24. Today, we are working in partnership opportunities with $600 billion, including agreements worth more than $300 billion that were announced in this forum. In the coming months, we will work on second phase to finalize the remaining agreements to raise them to $1 trillion. This growing partnership represents the extension of multiple cooperation in the military, security, economic, and technological fields in order to enhance mutual benefits, supporting job opportunities in the kingdom, contribute to localization of industries, grow local content, and develop our GDP. The United States of America is a major destination for the PIF, accounting more than 40% of global investments, which reflects the confidence of the U.S. economy capabilities to innovate, especially in promising sectors such as technology and AI, which contributes to transfer of knowledge and exchange of expertise. Number of U.S. companies operating in the kingdom is 1,300 companies, representing approximately a quarter of the volume of foreign investments. These include 200 companies that have their regional headquarters in the kingdom. The kingdom's Vision 2030 was able to achieve most of its targets. It is bringing about an unprecedented economic transformation that aims to diversify the economy and empower the private sector to be the main driver of growth in the largest economy in the region. Non-oil exports have increased $82 billion in 24. Additionally, over 2.4 million male and female citizens were employed. The unemployment rate fell to its lowest historical levels with the multiplication of women's contribution to the labor market. In conclusion, Mr. President, I am confident that today we will continue to build with you based on the foundations of these close partnership between our two countries. What we signed today is part of a greater ambition that invests the opportunities for cooperation and exchange of benefits. Mr. President, our joint action is not limited to economic cooperation, but extends towards bringing about security, stability, peace in the region and the world. Once again, I welcome you in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. I look forward to listening to your remark, Mr. President.